Hello, what's up, guys? It's day 26. Yes, we made it to day 26. Hey, I don't know if I'm up or not. I haven't gotten the crust out of my eyes, y'all. Y'all see this? Ooh, it's early this morning. Guys, I'm trying to get out of the house earlier so that I don't have to walk so late at night. It's a challenge, but guess what? Every day we get to start anew, start over and try it again. Hey, today I'm coming to you to see if you can answer this question. Can you make a U-turn? Let's try. Oh, we making a U-turn, y'all. But we gotta go this way. Let's make a U-turn this way. Can you make a U-turn? Hey, sometimes if you're going a direction that you don't need to go and it's taking you to a place that you don't need to go, you need to stop and make a U-turn, y'all, and head in the right direction. Let's go ahead and make our U-turn, y'all. Let's go in the right direction. We're doing these 10,000 steps a day walking challenge. And guess what? Quick video, boom, we just did it, 10,000 steps. Hey, you know I wish you great health, great wealth, and I want you to be surrounded by love. Yes, I'll see you in the next video.
All right, today is January 27th. It's 10:43 p.m. and I have walked 15,714 steps. Let's keep pressing forward. We're doing a great job. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.